There's a planet out there where it rains molten glass, sideways. It's called HD 189733b, a gas giant 63 light-years away that looks calm and beautiful, until you find out it rains liquid glass at 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The winds there blow at over 5,000 miles per hour, fast enough to hurl molten glass sideways across the sky. Its blue color isn't from oceans. It comes from vaporized silica in the air. That's the same stuff we use to make glass on Earth. When it rains glass sideways, you know it's a WTF moment. Follow, like, and subscribe for more WTF facts.